Let's go through the contents of the ISF onboard training record book section by section in simple, clear language. I'll explain what each section means and what it's for so you can fully understand how this book works and how to use it. Section 1. Guide to Completion. This section explains how to use the record book, shows you how to fill in the task properly, tells you who should sign each task, usually a senior officer, explains what's expected during training on board, helps you understand what counts as valid training experience. It's like a user manual for the whole book. Section 2. Summary Record of Progress. This section keeps a summary of your training and progress. It includes particulars of cadet, your name, school, ID number, etc. Basic training, lists of your STCW basic safety courses, firefighting, survival, etc. Record of other training, any extra training you've done like ECDIS, tanker familiarization, etc. Shipboard record of service, a list of all the ships you've worked on with dates and ship info. Designated Training Officer's Review of Training Progress. Your training officer on board checks your progress and signs it. Master's Monthly Inspection of Record Book. The ship's captain checks and signs your book every month to ensure it's being used properly. Company Inspection of Record Book. If your training is managed by a company, the rep also checks your book. List of publications, video or computer-based training studied or used. Write down any books, videos, or computer programs you used for learning. Section 3. Mandatory Safety and Shipboard Familiarization. This section includes safety tasks you must learn and do when you first join a ship. Fire alarms, life-saving equipment, muster stations, understanding shipboard signals, and safety drills. This section is very important and must be done as soon as possible after joining. Section 4. Particulars of Ships. In this section, you write details about each ship you join. Ship's name, IMO number, flag, GRT, DWT, etc. This info helps examiners know your practical experience. Section 5. International Regulations for Preventing Collisions at Sea. This section is about COLREGs, collision regulations. Study and apply rules like who gives way, sound signals, lights and shapes, etc. You'll be expected to understand and follow these rules while on the bridge. Section 6. Information on training tasks and competencies to be achieved. This section explains what the training tasks look like, how to complete each task, what kind of performance is expected, how to properly log dates and get the task signed. There's also an example page to show you how to fill out the task correctly. Section 7. Tasks for officers in charge of a navigational watch. This is the main body of the training book. It contains group tasks under different duties of an OIC and W. Example function, navigation at the operational level, using radar, GPS charts, compasses and ECDIS, bridge watchkeeping, voyage planning, position fixing, understanding weather and tides, and bridge resource management. Another example function, cargo handling and stowage at the operational level, learning how to load and discharge cargo safely, handling dangerous goods, understanding cargo plans and stowage. Another example function, cargo handling and stowage, additional tasks for tankers, specific tasks for oil, chemical, or gas tankers, familiarization with tank operations, tank cleaning, inert gas systems, etc. Another example function, controlling the operation of the ship and care for persons on board at the operational level, fire safety, life-saving appliances, emergency procedures, pollution prevention, personal safety, and medical first aid basics. These tasks cover all the core competencies needed to become an officer. Section 8. Steering Certificate. This section is for proving that you have completed your steering hours, can steer the ship under supervision, understand helm orders, and compass reading. Usually signed off after you do 10+ hours of steering. Section 9. Project Work. Section 9 is all about hands-on projects to boost your ship knowledge. Here's what you'll do. Draw scale plans of your ship's layout, bridge, and decks, naming key areas and equipment. Section 10, Task Summary Chart. Task Summary Chart is a practical tool designed to help Deck Cadets, their company, shipmasters, and officers track progress on the task listed in Section 7. Its purpose is to provide a clear, ongoing check on completed and outstanding duties, organized by functions and competencies like navigation and cargo handling, with tinted boxes marking new task groups. Cadets should only tick off fully completed tasks, ensuring everyone involved can monitor training development and confirm all STCW required skills are mastered before certification.